So our next topic is normalization condition. If the chances of finding an electron is 100%, that means probability is 1, then it is called normalization. And if the probability is 0, then it is orthogonal. Let the probability per unit length of finding the particle at position x is at time t is p is equal to xi star xt xi xt dx, because probability is always written as p is equal to xi star into xi dx. And between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, chances of finding the particle is 1. So in this diagram, between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, the chances of finding the particle is 1. Means there exists a particle. And at this point, the probability of finding an electron is maximum, and at the ends of this area, there is a 0 probability. But as it is a wave function, so we don't know its origin, thus integrate it from minus infinity to plus infinity. Thus p is equal to minus integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, p dx is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity xi star xt into xi xt dx is equal to 1. So now for example, if we have xi is equal to under root of 2 by a sine n pi x by a, where x varies from 0 to a. So its solution will be 0 to a p dx will be 0 to a under root of 2 by a sine n pi x over a dot under root of 2 by a sine n pi x by a, n pi a by x, because p dx is equal to xi star into xi dx. So there is xi star and xi. These both are similar because there is no eta term. So xi and xi star are same. So by putting the limits p 0 to a is equal to taking common 2 by a 0 to a sine square n pi x by a. So it becomes pa minus p0 is equal to 2 by a 0 integration from 0 to a, and by putting the formula of sine square n pi x by a, which is 1 minus cos square n pi x by a divided by 2 dx. And therefore pa minus p0 is equal to 1 by a multiply with integration from 0 to a dx minus 0 to a cos 2 n pi x over a dx. So integration of this becomes 1, and by putting the limits it becomes a minus sine 2 n pi by x by a divided by sine 2 pi n by a from 0 to a by taking the integration of cos 2 n pi by a x. So by opening up the brackets, a by a minus 1 by a sine 2 n pi a by a divided by 2 n pi by a, and this will cancelled out. This becomes 1 minus 1 by a sine 2 n pi by 2 n pi by a. Therefore, as sine 2 n pi is equal to 0, therefore it becomes 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Thus, this equation is normalized because its probability of finding an electron is 1. So, these type of functions are called normalized function.